Okay, we're going to give you a tip for the day. This is about the welding. Okay, I'm going to show you this cylinder that came in here. And you can see where it broke off here. Okay, and here's the part that broke off. And this looks like it was welded with a 71M outer shield, which is a common weld rod or wire, but the problem is it's a little bit soft, and you can see how this broke off. And we've seen this happen. What this is, it's on this bucket cylinder, and piece of big heavy equipment loader, and they have two of these, and it bangs back and forth, and it breaks these clevises off. It's about probably a $1,200 cylinder. So here's the problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this out. We're going to V this out and step it. And then we're going to take this, grind this flat. It's already got the locator. Get it back on there, square it up, and weld it with 70/18 1/8 rod. Okay, it's the only way, it's the strongest rod to stop this. And you got to get it down in there. You can see that it's just not really solid. It's not full pin. So we're going to clean that up and clean this off, and then dig the rod down in there. Clean it out. It'll take probably half an hour to weld it. We'll put it on our little turntable when we're doing it, but you need to bury it down in there and get full penetration. This wire is just not that good. It just never works out. So, learn to weld 70/18, especially when you're doing these cylinders, not only for the cracks, but for stuff like this. Okay, you don't want a faulty weld on and then it breaks. The rod's good. It's real clean. It's just snapping off here because they're beating on it. So we're going to try to strengthen up. The problem is, too, they'll put it back on, get a solid weld, and then they'll end up bending the rod from banging on it. So, but that's the tip here. Always use 70/18 when you're doing this stuff, even for the cracks. Okay, stand by.